Let's look at addition and subtraction of fractions. When adding or subtracting fractions, make the denominators to be the same and add or subtract fractions as follows. So if the fractions have the same denominator, like we have b and b there, so we just add the numerators. If it is subtraction, we just subtract the numerators. But now check, the denominators are what? Are the same. So that's why we have to make sure that the denominators are the same first before we add or subtract. Start by finding the lowest common multiple, which is actually the lowest common denominator. And then after that, you can what? You can add or subtract. Let's do a few examples. Simplify this expression. We need to find the lowest common multiple of the denominators, or just find the lowest common denominator, which is 12. So you have to make sure that the denominators are what? For the three fractions are 12. So we use the equivalent fractions here. So what do we do? The first fraction is 3x over 4. To have a denominator of 12, we multiply by 3. So we multiply by 3, and we also multiply the numerator by 3. That's equivalent fractions. And then plus 2 over 3. And then we multiply by, to make the denominator to be 12, we have to multiply by 4. So we multiply by 4. We also multiply by 4. We also multiply the numerator by 4. And then the last fraction is already having a denominator of 12, so we write it as it is. We have 9x over 12 plus 8 over 12, then plus 5x over 12. Now the denominators are the same. We can just add the numerators. So we can add the numerators. We have 9x plus 8 plus 5x, all this over 12. And then we have like terms, 9x plus 5x is 14x. So we have 14x plus 8 over 12. This is how we simplify this expression. The next example, let's simplify and we assume that all denominators are non-zero. What is the lowest common multiple of the denominators? If you look at the coefficients, the lowest common multiple is 15. And then the powers with the same base here, we take the one with the highest exponent, which is x cubed. So the lowest common multiple of the denominator here is what? The LCD is 15x cubed. First fraction, 2 over 3x cubed. You have to multiply by 5 to get 15x cubed, and multiply by 5 there. Plus 1 over 5x. We have to multiply by 3x squared to get 15x cubed, and also multiply by 3x squared there. Then minus 3 over 15x squared. So we have to multiply by x and multiply by x to get what? Denominator of 15x cubed. We have 10 15x cubed plus 3x squared 15x cubed minus 3x then over 15x cubed. Now the denominators are the same. We can what? Add and subtract the numerators. So this is 10 plus 3x squared minus 3x over 15x cubed. That's what we get. And then we can rewrite our numerator like this. Numerator in standard form, 3x plus 10 divided by 15x cubed. That's the answer. And then let's try this one. The LCM of the denominators, or the LCD, is 6. So what we do, so we have a minus 3 over 3. To make the denominator to be 6, we have to multiply by 2 and also multiply the numerator by 2. Then plus 2a minus 3 over 2. We multiply the denominator by 3 to make it 6 and also multiply the numerator by 3. Then minus 12a plus 3 divided by 6. The denominator is already 6, so we leave it like that. So it becomes equal to a minus 3 plus 3, 2a minus 3. Then be careful with this. This is minus, so negative 12a plus 3 divided by 6. And then we can remove the brackets for our numerator. So we dispute 2 there, dispute 3, dispute 3, dispute negative 1, and dispute negative 1 there. So we get 2a minus 6 plus 6a minus 9 minus 12a, then minus 3. All this over 6. And then we can simplify. We have like terms. Right, 2a plus 6a, that is 8a, minus 12a, that is negative 4a. And then the constants, we have this, we have this, we have that. So negative 6 minus 9, that is negative 15. Negative 15 minus 3, that is negative 18. And then all this over 6. And then if we check the numerator, we have the highest common factor, which is negative 2. So we can have negative 2 being factored out. And then negative 4a divided by negative 2 is positive 2a, plus negative 18 divided by negative 2, that's positive 9. And then all this over 6. And then can say 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 6, 3. We have negative 2a plus 9 all over 3. Okay. Then the last one, the LCM of the denominators, or the LCD, is 12. So we have to make sure that all the denominators are 12. So we have 8p plus 2 over 4. To make it 12, multiply by 3. So we have to multiply by 3 this side, the numerator by 3. Then plus 6p plus 7 over 6. We have to multiply this one by 2, and then multiply this one by 2. Then minus 9p plus 11 for 3. Then we have to multiply by 4, and then multiply by 4. Then we can distribute this. Be careful with the signs. 3 times 8p, that is 24p. And then 3 times 2, that is plus 6. Then plus 2 times 6p, that is 12p. Then 2 times positive 7, that is positive 14. Negative 4 times 9p, that is negative 36p. Then negative 4 times 11, that is negative 44. All this over 12. Right. Then we can simplify. Then we have like terms, 24p plus 12p minus 36p. What we have, this reduces to 24p plus 12p, that is 36p. 36p minus 36p, that is 0. And then we have positive 6 plus 14, which is 20. And then 20 minus 44, that is negative 24. So we have negative 24 over 12, which reduces to negative 2.